Okay, it's Terrace Tuesday. Let's check out some terraces in the Caucasian Mountains in the country of Georgia. There's so many valleys with a really good record of cliff and terraces. Okay, we're going to count the terraces, which were once the flat river bottom. Starting with the modern river bottom, we're going to call that 0. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We notice that the modern river's got a lot more meander to it than the older river. This river once had a really nice curve to it right along this bank. So we got two nice banks here that are very large. So we can see a bank and a bank. But is this also a river bank here? And as we go uphill, these look like these are all river banks. These here. So you can just keep going up and you just keep finding more and more riverbanks. And you can even go all the way to the summit. And there's riverbanks all the way up to the very top. So this is a fully terraced landscape. Yeah, this place is crazy. Okay, look at all this. So this was all carved by the water and we just keep going up. Look at this. All the way up. All of these riverbanks. Riverbank, riverbank. I'm going to say riverbank a lot of times in this video because there's a lot of riverbanks in the Caucasian Mountains. Shout out my Caucasians. Look at all these riverbanks. Riverbank here, riverbank, riverbank. All of these are riverbanks. And they curve like a river. And they go all the way up to the top. All right, let's go into a place a little bit higher up on the mountains, like this spot here. Are you kidding me? You see how when you know what a cliff and terrace step sequence is, things get out of control real quick? I think that studying patterns in nature, such as sequences of river terraces and their corresponding riverbanks, is the most important way to understand the erosion of Earth, because each of these marks gives us exact data on water level and current level, and from the shape of the bank we can even see where the current moved.